Abazali bami zithi welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu wanamhla. Abazali bami zithi it's about Umpumelelo Mseleko. So Umpumelelo Mseleko, guys, is tired of being called a deadbeat father, guys. Umpumelelo Mseleko posted on his Instagram page, not his page, but the page that is written the Mighty Mseleko Kids. Who posted the picture yakhe nomhlophakazi. We know that it was birthday kamhlophakazi on Sunday. So on the birthday he decided to post. It's really not okay to judge people based on the situation you don't fully understand. Too often people are quick to label someone as a deadbeat father without knowing a full story, guys. So I guess some people saw a lot of videos saying he's a deadbeat father. And guys, my question is, does he really understand being a father? Or does he really understand if we are saying we are fully there for umntanakho? What does that mean? Because if beka there for umhlophekazi, or if beka ubaba lo yena acabanga ukuthi I think bekazoba present on the birthday celebration umntana, because it's a huge thing, it's a party, guys. Just imagine umntana makasana 20 athi mama wangenzela party, or both my parents bayangenzela a party, the 5th birthday, but my father was not there. And kumhlophekazi it's worse, because umhlophekazi kamdala we understand, uyabona izinto ezenzakalayo. And the one thing umpumela yazi ayisuki kezinye izinto engqondweni umuntu, unfortunately. So umhlophakazi will always know ukuthi yena waba nephathi babakhe was not there, and akanayo a full reason ukuthi we are not there. The only reason ezoyenza ukuthi umntana mhlambe understand ukuthi bayamceda ukuthola umsebenzi, but nakhona if babakho kudala sebenzi babakho yakwazi ukucela ilifa emsebenzini ayo-celebrate nawe your 5th birthday. And I understand mina ukuthi even if ningalowa kanjani, if you want to be part of impilo yomntanakho, and there are ways ukuthi uthathe the beef or your differences niwabeke eceleni and be there for your daughter. So if mhlawumbe uvikazi doesn't want umpumelelo ukuthi maybe abone ingane, kibe umpumelelo banemali, must they had imali ukuthatha uQueen Loli bamise court, bamcela ukuthi asuse the videos. They had money to pay lawyers ukuthi uQueen Loli for what Queen Loli said on the podcast, which is her own truth. She also produced evidence. They don't have money to take Vuyakazi to court, or family of Vuyakazi to court, so that they have full access of Umtana, which is Umhlophekazi. It doesn't make sense to me. But yeah, a lot of people, guys, on comment sections, I ke azange baze bamxolele shemaz. Azange baze bamxolele. And abanye abantu umihle ubhale, you should have just written a cute caption for your baby, not this, which is something vele ngavale wabhala happy birthday my daughter with nyana, a cute nyana caption. There was no need ukuthi azabhale ukuthi some people are quick to call you a deadbeat father. To us, we are reporting, or we are talking about is on things that we see, based on what we see on socials or on TV. We've never seen yena poster bomhlophekazi njengoba sekabaposta manje after trendings. I've never seen mina Umpumelelo poster isithombe sakanzulu. Recent pictures uzoposta isithombe uZulu aceda kuvela anenyanga or 2 months, akanazo izithombe zakanzulu kakhulu. So kumele sithini? Okay, kwamhlophekazi sakubona, we've never seen yena poster uNzulu and ipage yakhe. Buka birthday kaNzulu November, if I'm not mistaken, and I've never seen Umpumelelo mina or nje apost uNzulu ukuthi my son. We've never seen that. But uyampost umntana kaTirelo, hence we are saying he's a deadbeat father, and he is a deadbeat father. Shemina, I won't say anything. To me, ubonakala as a deadbeat father, because if you are a present there, you should have pictures kamntana kwamanje. You cannot go to you post a picture mntana na 2 months while mntana sekazotena 2 years. It doesn't make sense. But a lot of people get bebasho ukuthi omunye ubhale ungazichazeli. We know a full story from TV. You should cute be baby. Hey, yazi abantu abaningi, guys. But I'm glad ukuthi abantu abaningi bamtshelile ukuthi you know what, babhala suchaza sibindi, ungachazi siyakwazi ukuthi wena awuncingi umuntu. Wabhala lol, sometimes you just have to put your pride aside for abantwana. I think lento ayibhale lapha yinto bokumele ngabe yayipractice, angayibhali kuphela. And we know that even the picture or this caption ayibhalanga ngosibindi, mhlamba or whoever or in charge of this page or abomseleko, but ayibhalanga ngosibindi. Kancane umuntu isibindi Gimme, he comes across as if he doesn't care. He doesn't care. Uyababona abantwana uzodlala the social media, uzodlala le social media blame. Kanti thina la ku social media singakhuluma sithi mhlawumbe uVuyokazi wrong afuna ukuthi ubona abantwana or whatever situation, but egcineni you don't know ukuthi what you are doing yenzani emntaneni wakho. La into ebalekile ingane zakho. So bazalwane manje, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.